Purchasing your first home is a big step, but it doesn't have to be an overwhelming one. Mortgage loan consultant Emily Rowley has 4 things first-time home buyers need to keep in mind. Great to have you.
Hi, thanks for having me.
This first one is important. Before you start shopping and fall in love with a house that you can't afford, you say it's crucial to get pre-qualified.
Absolutely. I think the very first step people need to take when purchasing a home is starting with the mortgage lender and making sure that you're pre-approved. When you come in and meet with us, we're going to give you a realistic expectation of the type of home you can look for and make sure that you don't go fall in love with a house that you can't actually buy. It also helps in getting pre-approved that you have that letter when you go to make your offers, because it makes the seller of the house a lot more comfortable with your offer and more willing to accept your offer knowing that you've been pre-approved.
A simple step you can do on the back end to make things smoother down the road.
Absolutely.
I know you get a lot of questions about down payments. What are your words of advice there?
So there are a lot of options with down payment. A lot of times people think it's really important to have 20% down or more, and that's just not the case. You can do as little as no money down and very minimal down payment type of loans that are still really good loan programs available to people.
So worth making an appointment, sitting down with someone like yourself and chatting that over.
Worth coming in and talking to us just to see what you qualify for.
You recommend a home inspection. How much do those usually cost?
Typically you can get a home inspection for anywhere from $300 to $500. The home inspection is really important because it helps you to make sure you're not missing anything in that home that could become an issue down the road. I recommend that people get that home inspection and walk through the house with the inspector to make sure that they understand how the house works and that there's no issues with the house.
And one more point of advice, you want people to use caution when it comes to credit cards, that kind of a thing.
Yes, so one of my biggest pieces of advice to people is that when you're thinking of purchasing a home, don't go purchase anything else on credit. Your credit is so important, and the debts that you have on there are really important to qualifying for a home loan. So make sure when you're purchasing a home that you don't go acquire any new debt at that time. Wait till you're done.
Well, we've certainly skimmed the surface here. I know it is a big decision, a lot to think about. If people want to set up an appointment and ask those questions one-on-one, how can they get in touch with you?
You can reach us at firstcolonymortgage.com. All of our information is there on that website, and we have 3 locations in Utah County and 2 in St. George. So
fantastic.
We're all over.
Give us your website again.
firstcolonymortgage.com.
Fantastic. Emily, thank you so much.
Thank you.